So, hi there, I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to talk about pesticides and pollinators. What? Whoa, who are you? You don't know me? I am you. I am your question. I am your confusions. Oops, conscience. Okay, let's talk about pollinators in detail. A pollinator is an insect which carries pollen from male anther of the flower to the female stigma of a flower. There the reproduction happens. This is called pollination. Honeybees are important pollinators. Do you think honeybees are the only pollinators? I thought their job was making honey. No, there are some more pollinators like flies, wasps, butterflies, beetles, moths, etc. Okay, why are we talking about pollinators? They are important to our food system and ecosystem. They help thousands of flowering plants reproduce from flowers to fruits. 80% of the plants we eat are pollinated by bees. What's a pesticide? It is a chemical to get rid of pests. It kills pests which lives on plants. Pesticides are sprayed onto plants. Oh, it's good for the farmers and gardeners. They get rid of pests. Yes, for some people who grow plants at home really don't need pesticides to control pests. Farmers and gardeners like pollinators, but they don't like insects, snails, worms that eat their plants. They often use these pesticides to kill pests. But there's a big problem. These pesticides also harm pollinators. Some pesticides kill the bees. Some may find it hard to fly and lessen the bees' population after long run. We depend on bees for good system. So are you telling humans depend on tiny bees? It is an essential ecological function. Plants are assisted by insects like bees and many other flies to reproduce. Without them, the human race will not survive because most of the crops depends on pollinators. As I told, 80% of the plants we eat are pollinated by bees. Is it a problem if the bees die? If bees die, there will be big change in food system and ecosystem. They will have less reproduction. There will be a huge impact on food chain and people will not get sufficient food. How do people save plants from the pests, or do they harm the pollinators? This is a good and a sensible question. People should use pesticides only when they are needed. For example, if their plants are badly attacked by pests, they should not use them when the plants are flowering because it moves into pollen or nectar, and when the insects feed on the plants, the pesticides can kill them. Is there a natural method to get rid of pests? People use some methods like strong spray of water, herbal water spray, soapy water wash and some more. Today we learned a lot of information about pesticides and pollinators. Are all people really aware of this information? Why can't we ask people few questions who grows plants? And we will also know how people treat plants. I think I'm going to call my grandmother or grandfather maybe. Hello Achita, are you free? Can I ask you some questions about plants?
Sure, Abhi.
Which plants do you grow in your garden?
We have many kinds of plants.
I think Amma can show some of her plants. What a nice collection of plants. Which pollinators pollinate your flowers?
I have seen only butterflies and bees.
Do you put pesticides for your plants?
Do not use any pesticides. We use only organic fertilizers.
How do you protect your plants?
Good sanitation, fencing the plant.
Thank you, teacher. So, my dear conscience, what did you learn today? We learned a lot of information about pesticides and pollinators.